The U.S. stock market continued to plummet today. At 5 o'clock, we explained the Dow closed more than 2,000 points down. Coronavirus fears and a crash in oil prices fueled the drop. Some are wondering, is it time to pull out of the stock market altogether, or is it the right time to buy in? News 10's Richard Solomon joins us now live from the newsroom. He spoke with a financial advisor on what people should be doing.
I've been following the stock market all day long, and I want you to take a look at these numbers. This is where the market closed at. You can see it closed a little more than 2,000 points. Yes, this is the worst day that the market has seen since October 2008. But some I spoke with say it may not be as bad as it may seem in the long run for your pockets. Frank Volker says the phones have been buzzing nonstop at the Volkers Group Financial.
A quarter of my calls were people wanting to buy, well, 3/4 of people wanting to sell.
Volkers has been in the stock market game for nearly 60 years now. But on Monday morning, he noticed something alarming. The stock market opened nearly 2,000 points down, sparking a trading halt. All from fears of the coronavirus. Volker says there are only a couple reasons this drastic fall happened.
The market really moves abnormally through two emotions, fear and greed. They get more fearful and chase the stocks down. They get out of the stocks.
Volker says you can expect to see the economy slow down even more.
A typical retired account will be maybe 50 or 60% stock. You probably should be getting back to that spot because you've lost some equities, stocks, and so you can make up for that.
But what does that mean? Volker says buy in. If you have the money for it, purchase the stocks while they're low. I also spoke with Indiana State economic professor Dr. Bob Gill. Is this a time for people to freak out? Should they freak out in the stock market?
No. Where the stock market is when you retire, right, in 40 years, is almost completely unrelated to what's happening today.
Volker says the number one thing in the stock game he's learned is having patience.
If you get out now, I guarantee you when the market's back up where it was, a year from now, you're going to be sorry.
Now the market's open tomorrow morning at 9:30. Volker says it's like playing chess. You have to play strategically when you're dealing with stock markets. He says you can expect to see, or he hopes to see, a positive change in the markets here pretty soon. Reporting live in the newsroom, Richard Solomon, News 10, Rondrell.